4th game of Scratch. This is going to be the crystal ball game. So click on create. And then file, load from your computer, same as always. And find crystalball.sp3. Click on open. And click OK. So this game is mainly, the code is going to be mainly just typing. It's going to be a lot of typing. So what this is gonna do, we're gonna ask this mystic questions, and we're gonna click on the crystal ball, and the mystic will answer our questions with either yes, no, ask again later, stuff like that. So first we're gonna add code for the actual character, so the mystic. So go to events, when flag clicked, and go to variables, and find the one that says delete one of sayings, change it to all. Or how about we can just use this one, delete all of sayings. Now under that, you're gonna put this, add thing to sayings. We're gonna put about a lot of them. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're gonna add 12 of these. So how about we can just, you can control C, so you can click on it and control C and then control V. Or you can right click on it and click on duplicate, so you don't have to keep on dragging it out again and again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we can connect them all to each other. I think some added down here. Yep. So now it's just gonna have 12 of these. You can do however many you want actually, and you can have whatever responses you want too. But right now, to follow the curriculum, so I'm gonna write add yes, add no, add ask again later. It is certain, doubtful, probably. The answer is unclear. Of course not. Remember, you could choose whatever ones you want. I'm just choosing the simplest ones. You can choose whatever you want. It looks positive. It looks negative. Then we do like affirmative. So now, this is what our mystic will say. Now we're going to go to crystal ball and add events. When this sprite clicked, broadcast speak. So broadcast message 1, click on message 1, new message, and speak. Now, we're going to go back to the mystic and add when I receive speak. So when I receive speak, say hello for 2 seconds, change it to say hello for 3 seconds, and now inside of hello, we're gonna add item 1 of sayings. Item Item 1 of sayings over here inside of hello. So now it's going to say item 1 of sayings for 3 seconds. Now inside of here, you're going to go to operators, pick random from 1 to 12. So make sure you have 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So pick random 1 to 12. So now the mystic will pick a random saying from 1 to 12. So now, if we start the game, let's think of some questions to ask. I could ask, let's see. Is this game hard? So let's see. Is this game hard to make? He says probably. So basically what the point of this game is, you ask random questions to the mystic and he will answer them. So let's see. Are the kids having fun? Affirmative. So that means yes. So yeah. So that's basically the point of the game. You can ask him whatever you want and he'll answer truthfully. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.